Hi, I'm Marty Sweeney, and I'm here with Zabrita Dunham of Zabrita Makes It Work, and today we're going to take a look at an adapted door stopper. Zabrita, can you describe the challenge that this particular device addresses?
Yes, well, as you can see, I'm in a wheelchair, and because of that, I don't have the ability to reach things that may be on the floor at all, unless I have some kind of device. I want to be able to keep my door open where I am, and because of that, I need to, of course, to use a door stopper. The average door stopper that you will find is a kind that would be like a piece of wood or a piece of rubber that is like a wedge, and you would put your hand down on the floor and put it under the door.
And in this particular adaptation, which works really well for you, it probably could be used for many people that are in wheelchairs.
Yes, or those who have back problems, who have a problem with just being over here.
And Zabrita, you were describing what this is used for, the way it's sold. Tell me what it's actually supposed to be doing.
It's supposed to be able to allow a person who may be traveling and going to a hotel to have a sense of security by being able to wedge that stick against the door as you would a chair.
Okay, great. So the idea here would be that we've got a product that was designed as a security device that people could use if they were, wanting to lock a door and use it as a way to prevent somebody from entering. You could use this at a hotel or a motel room, those kinds of things. So now what Zabrita has done is actually turned that product designed upside down, and rather than using it to secure a door, Zabrita is actually using it to keep a door open.
This makes it, as you mentioned earlier, an extension. And it's heavy enough where the rubber tip on the bottom, and this is, with the weight of it, it gives enough friction where it just sticks to the floor.
Just as a regular door stopper.
Right.
Okay, so what you're doing is the pole is really there simply for you to be able to position the door stopper.
Right.
Okay, so with your hands, you're able to grab the pole. And now you've gone ahead, and as you come into the apartment, your door would close.
Right.
Okay. And then for you to position it, show me how that would work.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going ahead and you're positioning that under the lip of the door, and it's really because of your ability to manipulate the pole that you're able to set the door stop.
Yes.
Beautiful. And we're going to call that Zabrita door stopper. Thank you, Zabrita.
You're welcome. Thank you.